Updating your W-8BN form on Robinhood is essential for maintaining your tax information accurately. Follow these steps to ensure your form is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Robinhood account by entering your credentials on the app or website. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings section. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or the menu option in the app. Step 3. Locate tax information. In account settings, find the section labeled tax information or tax documents. This is where you can manage your W-8BN form and other tax-related documents. Step 4. Update your W-8BN form. Select the option to update or complete your W-8BN form. Follow the prompts to enter your updated information, ensuring all details are accurate and complete. Step 5. Review and submit. After filling out the form, review all the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the form. You should receive a confirmation that your W-8BN has been updated successfully. Make sure to keep track of any notifications from Robinhood regarding your tax information. Regularly updating your W-8BN will help ensure compliance and avoid any potential issues with your investments.